Some festivals have stages. EDC Las Vegas builds another universe. From May 15th to 17th, 2026, Electric Daisy Carnival returns to Las Vegas for its 30th anniversary, transforming the Las Vegas Motor Speedway into a neon city of sound, lights, art, carnival rides, fireworks, and bass-heavy spectacle. Born from rave culture and expanded into one of the largest electronic music gatherings in the world, EDC is more than a lineup. It is a full sensory pilgrimage under the electric sky. For fans, this is where EDM culture becomes architecture. The stages tower like glowing machines. The lasers slice through desert air. The crowd becomes part of the show, dressed in color, movement, candy, costumes, and pure midnight energy. It is part music festival, part carnival, part sci-fi dream, and part group therapy with better lighting. Las Vegas already knows how to glow, but during EDC weekend, the city turns the brightness all the way up.